What's up everybody, Jordan here, I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some stuff that I got from Amazon that's related to tactical EDC sort of theme. Yeah, I'll have everything linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, yeah, so we're going to start off with this one here. I know what I ordered, but I don't know what's in what package, so let's find out. Cool. Alright. So this is a collapsible silicone water bottle. It looks like a grenade, which is kind of funny. It's army green, obviously. It comes with two different lids, and it can like expand in size or shrink down, so you can either hold more water or less, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I saw this online and just thought that it was a fun little silly thing to, and there you go, just expands like that, so you can hold more water, or you can condense it down just like that, and you can use this lid here with the little handle on it, or the one that I'll probably use is going to be this guy right here with the carabiner. And there we go, that's what it looks like. The carabiner, so you can hook it onto a backpack or whatever, to your belt. Yeah, and like I said, it expands. It's silicone, so it's nice and easy to wash. And there we go. Let's keep it moving. All right, here we go. Next box. And then this water bottle, by the way, is $25.99 Canadian on Amazon. Nice and lightweight. Matches my bigger water bottle in terms of the color. Cool. All right, and then so we got Prepared by Mike Glover. This is a manual for surviving worst case scenarios. Check out his YouTube channel if you haven't already. And check out Fieldcraft Survival. I ordered some stuff from their merch website recently, so I'll be unboxing that soon. So definitely subscribe and turn on notifications so that you know when that drops. But this guy here is, yeah, this is 39 bucks. Pretty cool book. Excited to read this. And we've got a 107-piece first aid kit, which is just good to have. It does come with a manual for like how to use it and what's included. Yeah, you can see nice and full. Stick this in your bag or in your car, in your truck or whatever. Yeah, that's pretty handy. Always good to have that. All right, cool. And then we got first Mountain Voyage Minimalist Wallet. This is $24.99. It's got RFID blocking technology. It's available in army green, matte black, matte carbon fiber, gray, navy blue, orange, matte red, and walnut wood. It's made of rust-proof aluminum. You got some screws there for expanding it. Lifetime warranty as well, which is pretty cool. And then instructions with how to use it. Cool. And that's what it looks like. So nice and slim, very lightweight, but still solid and high quality. Can hold up to 15 cards, which is really cool. And you've got the little screwdriver to adjust it. That's what that looks like. So I'll fiddle around with that, and then this is going to be my new wallet. Yeah, I'll fiddle around with that and figure out how that works. Yeah, because it looks like you have to, you can just open this up, get access to your cards. You can also adjust it as well. Yeah, nice and slim. And then next we got this army green pouch that I'm going to use to keep my first aid kit in my backpack. Pretty simple, army green. The first aid symbol right there. It's got some straps on the back, so you can attach it to the outside of your bag if you want, or to your belt. Yeah, pretty good size on this. And then next we had a couple tactical fanny packs, which I'm going to be doing a full video on some fanny packs here soon and how I use them with EDC. And you got a pouch there on the side that can be removed if you wanted to add like a bigger pouch, for example. That just snaps on that. And you got another pouch on the side there, a little small pouch right there with another pouch behind it, and then the main big pouch, and then also a hidden pouch on the back, so for like valuables, which is pretty cool, especially if you're traveling. That's pretty handy. And then there's also, came with a black one that looks pretty well the same except black. The green one's going to be my default. Matches a bunch of the stuff that I have. And then that first aid kit case is $18.99, and then the fanny pack 2-pack is $39.98. And yeah, let's get into this the last product here. Alrighty. And then last but not least, we got this 30-liter tactical backpack. It's going to be my new like daily use backpack, because the tactical backpack that I was using was a bit too big for sort of everyday use. It's great for travel. Like I just used it for a trip recently. But yeah, this one's a bit smaller. It's got lots of molly and spots to put your patches. Yeah, I'm gonna do a full video with like some EDC updates here pretty soon. So definitely subscribe and turn on notifications so that you know when that drops. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. Yeah, thanks for watching this quick unboxing of some new EDC gear and tactical stuff. Stay tuned for some more EDC related videos coming soon. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video, comment down below. Let me know if you've added anything new to your EDC setup recently, or plan to in the next little while, now that we're into the new year. Check out these products in the description below. And then thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.